Okay, let's dive into the absolute foundation of the web, a simple language called HTML.
So have you ever thought about it? Before websites, just sharing a document was a huge pain.
Yeah, we're talking floppy disks, super slow fax machines, and files that just wouldn't open.
This whole problem led scientist Tim Berners-Lee to invent a brilliant solution back in 1989.
He created HTML. You can think of it as the basic skeleton for every single website.
You know, a really great way to get this is to picture a website as a restaurant.
The front end is what you see, the dining room. The back end is the hidden kitchen.
And HTML, that's the structure itself, the tables, the chairs, the menu, everything. The building blocks of HTML are called tags. They're just super simple instructions, really.
For example, the H1 tag, that's your big main heading. It's the most important one.
And the P tag is just for any regular paragraph of text. See? Super simple.
Now, the A tag is a game changer. It's what makes links work and connects the whole web.
And of course, the IMG tag is how you get pictures on your page. Makes it all look good.
But what about making it all look pretty? Well, you don't have to be a design expert anymore.
Seriously, you just focus on the basic structure. You can actually let AI do the heavy lifting.
Check out this workflow. You write the basic HTML, then just ask an AI for the styling.
What's so cool is this lets you focus on your actual ideas, not complicated design code. So, HTML is the foundation, and AI is your helper. The only question is, what will you build first?